a groundbreaking case in the Philippines. We're talking about Rosanna Tan-Andal versus Mario Victor M. Andal, a Supreme Court decision that completely changed the way annulments work in the country. In the landmark case of Tan-Andal versus Andal, GR number 96359, May 11, 2001, the Supreme Court of the Philippines redefined the interpretation of psychological incapacity under Article 36 of the Family Code, leading to the declaration of nullity of the marriage between Rosanna Tan-Andal and Mario Victor M. Andal. Mario Victor M. Andal and Rosanna Tan were married in 1995 and had a daughter, Samantha, in 1996. They lived in Parañaque City near Rosanna's parents. Rosanna claimed that Mario exhibited extreme irritability, irresponsibility, and psychological instability, worsened by drug use. He would disappear for days, neglect their child, and misuse company funds, leading to financial ruin. Rosanna sought Mario's rehabilitation, but he escaped before completing treatment. They eventually separated, and Mario provided no support. Rosanna filed for annulment, citing Mario's psychological incapacity. Regional Trial Court ruled in favor of Rosanna, declaring the marriage void based on expert testimony diagnosing Mario with narcissistic antisocial personality disorder. Court of Appeals reversed the decision, finding the psychiatric evaluation unreliable due to lack of direct examination. Rosanna then appealed to the Supreme Court, arguing that psychological incapacity need not be tied to a specific clinical diagnosis, but should be assessed based on ingrained behaviors affecting marital obligations. The Supreme Court ruling. The Supreme Court ruling in Tan-Andal versus Andal redefines psychological incapacity under Article 36 of the Family Code. The court abandons the second Molina guideline, which previously required psychological incapacity to be medically or clinically identified and proven through expert testimony. Instead, the court clarifies that psychological incapacity is not a mental disorder, but an enduring personality structure that prevents a spouse from fulfilling essential marital obligations. Key points of the ruling. Psychological incapacity does not require expert diagnosis. Testimonies from ordinary witnesses familiar with the spouse's consistent behavior may suffice. It must be incurable in a legal sense, meaning the spouse's personality structure is fundamentally incompatible with marriage, leading to an irreparable breakdown. The court found Mario psychologically incapacitated based on testimonies, including expert opinions and observations of his chronic irresponsibility, impulsivity, lack of empathy, and entitlement, all rooted in his past experiences. This decision shifts the interpretation of psychological incapacity away from strict medical standards, making annulment cases more accessible based on behavioral evidence. That ends our case for today. Thank you for dropping by.